Let's start. Mr. President of the International Society of Soil Mechanics and Geotechnical Engineering, dear distinguished foreign and French colleagues, dear friends. On the behalf of CFMS, the French Committee of Soil Mechanics and Geotechnical Engineering has the pleasure to welcome you today to this symposium dedicated to the commemoration of Charles Coulomb's contribution to soil mechanics. As you all know, and I hope you know, otherwise you will not be here, in 1773, Charles-Augustin COULOMB submitted to the Academy of Sciences his memoir entitled Essay on an Application of the Rules of Maximi and Minimi to some problems of static related to architecture. Oops, sorry. This text is considered to be the foundation in geotechniques of subsequent work on stability of slopes, pressure on retaining walls, bearing capacity of foundation, etc. To pay tribute to Coulomb's contribution to geotechnics and to celebrate his 250th anniversary of the publication of his memoir, the CFMS decided to organize this symposium and to give the opportunity to French and European experts to testify to the importance of the legacy of Coulomb's work in today's geotechnics. This today's symposium has been organized around invited lectures covering a wide range of topics arising from Coulomb's work: history, soil reinforcement, earth pressure theory, including seismic analysis, numerical implementation, and perspective. So you have the program here. I will not detail it, of course. And in addition, we have two workshops, practically oriented workshops organized in the afternoon. Also, as you can notice from the program, during a special event will also take place during the symposium. The honorary Coulomb Lecture will be presented by Professor Peter Robertson. The intention of the Coulomb Lecture is to capture a lifetime of experience from eminent scientists with professional or university background who have spent their career working in the field of geotechnics under theoretical, experimental aspect or through exceptional achievements. So I will not say more about the Coulomb Lecture. The CFMS President, Nicolas Hutter, will tell you more when introducing our lecturer. Okay, this symposium is placed under the patronage of the following institutions which are gratefully acknowledged. The French Academy of Sciences, and we are pleased to have one of our speakers, Professor Jean Salençon, from the French Academy of Sciences. The French Academy of Technologies, and we have two representatives, Professor Salençon again and Professor Suzanne Lacasse. The International Society of Soil Mechanics and Geotechnical Engineering, represented by its president, Dr. Marc Balouz, who will give you a short address in a few minutes, and the National Federation of Public Works, who hosts this event in its premises. As you can imagine, this event would not have been possible without the financial support of sponsors whose names are listed on the slide and who are also gratefully acknowledged. Geos, Soil Cloud, Sol Étanche Bachy, Spibactinol Fondation, Terrasol CETEC, Bureau Veritas, and SSI2U. Before concluding, I also want to thank all the speakers who accepted our invitation, the chairpersons of all sessions, and of course, all the participants. You will also all contribute to make this symposium a success. A word of thanks also to the organizing committee and to La Revue Française de Géotechnique, which accepted to publish a contribution to the symposium, together with a facsimile of Coulomb's original memoir. You will find in your bag a copy of this special issue. I take this opportunity to encourage you to publish in La Revue Française de Géotechnique. You can even publish in English, and every paper will be welcome. To conclude, I wish you all an enjoyable symposium and a nice stay in Paris. And before giving the floor to the ISSMG president, some practical information. Please, the coffee break will take place on that floor here, and lunch will be given upstairs on the ground floor. Okay? Wear your badge at all time. And if you have any questions, the members of the organizing committee have a blue badge, so do not hesitate to ask them questions. For the gala dinner tonight, you have a sheet in your bag giving all the information, two important information. Take your badge, including accompanying persons, and be on time because the boat will leave at 7:30 and cannot wait for people. Okay? This is tonight. 7:30, you have all the information on this paper here, okay? So that's all from me, and thank you very much, and I will give the floor to Dr. Marc Balouz.